Hey class, this is Irina and this is my final project overview. This is a website for a photography business that I decided to start this semester, and I built this website um, all on my own. I designed and coded it. First, I tried to use Weebly to create a website, but honestly, I just didn't like the drag and drop options and wanted to create it on my own. Um, Also, because I'm a web design and development major. So this is the main page, a homepage of the photography business. Um, a little bit about what I do, and then a quote that I like. And then next page is a gallery page with some examples of my work and another quote. And investment, that's what I call prices and packages basically. And another page is a contact page. This this form works, so you can actually leave me a message if you want to learn more about what kind of photography I'm doing, or if you would like to learn more about prices and packages, or schedule a photo shoot. And then the last but not least is about page, just a little bit about me. And this is contact me, basically takes you back to the contact page. And then copyright information in the footer, again the same links that I placed in the navigation up top and my Instagram. So this website is still kind of a work in progress, I think, because I plan on keeping it and working a bit more on it, and possibly change the website layout, especially on the gallery page. I think it makes sense to create a gallery of albums, and then you can access each individual album and see images in a higher resolution. And then I just wanted to show what I had in Google AdWords. I ran this campaign and I used 2 ad groups, and each group had 2 ads, and kind of in the middle, closer to the end of the campaign, I actually called Google and asked for their recommendation, and it took them maybe like 15 to 20 minutes to evaluate my website and put together a list of possible improvements that I could make to increase the number of impressions and clicks, and just overall improve the website. And so that's why you can see that, for example, this ad um, did better than the second one, because the second one was actually alive just for a few days compared to the first one. Same with these two. And so overall I had 74 clicks, over 3,300 impressions, and it cost me a little under $100, almost $93. And coming back to these ad groups, once I had 2 ads per each group, I actually decreased cost per click, and I had more impressions that way. And so I could tell that it definitely improved the performance overall of my ads. So I had more clicks per the same budget per day. So, and I also used Woorank, and at first I've got 38%, and then after I made some of the recommended changes, I improved to 47%, which I think is pretty good, but it's still kind of low. But again, it's a work in progress. But overall, I think I learned a lot in this class, and it's been truly great experience. And well, I hope you like this video, and thank you.